Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I am back this week with the Abomination from the core set of Zombicide Undead or Alive. This is the last mini in the core set to paint up before I get started on the Kickstarter exclusives. He was black and white Zenithal primed, and I get started on all of the skin using Dwarven skin. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I realised I made the same mistake as I did with the brutes, so before I go any further with the skin, I grabbed blue violet and painted on that ripped shirt. I don't have to be as neat at this point, as there's only one colour I need to cover up if I miss any and get it on the skin. Now to continue the skin, I used Barbarian flesh to go over all of the raised muscles and the edges of the face. This just leaves darker colour in the recesses and adds some definition to those muscles. while the skin is drying, I painted the bottoms with olive green. Finishing the highlight on the skin, I used Corpse Pale to add a lighter tone to the highest muscles and the very edges of the face. I do try to focus these highlights towards the top of the mini, just to sort of draw the attention towards the face and keep it away from the feet, as you don't really need to look at them. Now the skin is finished, I grabbed Oozing Purple and added a small highlight to the purple, mostly just to add some variations to this shirt. For the remaining parts of the mini, they are darker colour in the artwork, probably not as dark as the Death Reaper that I used, but for very minor details, the mini can be slightly off and it won't look too bad. The base and the holster get a quick once over with Plague Brown. To highlight up the bottoms and add in some bits that I missed, I went for Golden Olive from AK Interactive. For the teeth, eyes and claws, I used Skeleton Legion. highlighting up the black parts, I went for Dungeon Stone Grey. This is quite a jump in brightness, and this is just so that I don't have to do multiple highlights on a small part of the mini. There are a few metallic parts on this mini, and these get a once over with plate armor. Next up, I used a light tone wash over the entire mini. The base, as with all of my Zombicide minis, gets a layer of sandy desert texture paste. For the zombie that probably has the highest kill count, you need to add some blood effects using Vampire Thirst. And that will be it for the Abomination. This is far brighter than the artwork, but I think that makes it stand out a bit more as it is a unique mini on the game. As always, there'll be photos of this mini on my Instagram page. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.